Tips and tricks I'm about to show you are common in the industry, but I always recommend that you check with the manufacturer of your flooring to make sure that it's safe on it.
Hi, this is Rick Davis coming to you from Renovation Flooring in beautiful Miramar Beach, Florida. About care and maintenance of your wood, laminate, and vinyl flooring. How easy it is to take care of the little problems you might see here and there. So let's get started. Remember when this wet, dirty mop was the best way to clean your floor? Thank goodness for the new technology and new finishes on floors today, where this is all you need to use. It's nice and easy. All you do is spray the floor with your cleaner, and nice and easy. It's not messy. It's cleaner for you and your hands. Then all you need to do is pull this off and throw it in your washer. You can keep reusing the same one. And so that's what we need to clean your laminate, wood, or vinyl plank flooring today. You ever had that problem where you maybe dropped something on your floor, like nail polish or your kids colored on it? I'm using a Sharpie for my demonstration. And all you need to clean this off is hand sanitizer. Rub it in, take a paper towel or napkin and wipe it off, and you've saved your floor. On a vinyl floor, once in a while you might get a scratch on it, maybe from a nail sticking out of a chair leg. So you might have something that looks like this. You don't really know how it got there, but a great way to take care of that is with a stain pen. Make sure you shake it up real good and just use it as a crayon. You can blend in that stain, that scratch, so it makes it less noticeable. You just seen how easy it was for me to clean the black Sharpie off the laminate flooring, and wood is just the same. If you drop paint, nail polish, or your kids' color on your flooring, it's easy with the hand sanitizer to remove the Sharpie off your floor. Whether it's wood floor or laminate, it'll come off just as easy. Use a paper towel or a napkin to wipe it off. The Mr. Clean Eraser is a great way to clean off your flooring. And you can see that all the Sharpie came off. You've seen how to fix your floor when there's been scratches or paint or nail polish on it. The best way to protect your floor with the felt pads. Make sure that they're on all your furniture, chairs, and legs, and that'll help protect your floor from getting scratch and scuffs. Felt pads are the best way to protect your flooring from your furniture legs. Sometimes there'll be little nails sticking out of the legs. Sometimes you wear off the pads that come on them. So these come in all different shapes and sizes, like bar stool legs. This has a cone that slips over the end. There's different sizes of those. Felt pads for the larger type of furniture legs. So they come in all shapes and sizes, so you can customize if you need to. That comes in a roll, or larger pads. So whatever you need, there's a size available to help protect your flooring from the furniture sliding back and forth. Follow us for more tips and information on flooring. We're located in Miramar Beach, Florida, on the Emerald Coast Highway, and we're Renovation Flooring, right across from Seascape.